sky turned black at the edge of town, while the weight of the world came crashing down. I ran outside just to hide the tracks of the salt on my face and the heart that cracks. The thunder rolls like a heavy drum, drowning the person I become. Let the clouds break, let the river rise. I've got a reservoir behind my eyes. I'm crying in the storm, let the rain fall down, where the tears and the water meet the ground. Nobody sees the pain I'm in when it's washing off my weary skin. The light it flashes a heaven scream while I'm waking up from a broken dream. Yeah, I'm crying in the storm tonight, safe from the reach of the morning light. The wind is hauling a lonely tune under the ghost of a hidden moon. Every drop is a memory lost, a debt I'm paying at a heavy cost. The streetlights flicker, then they fade away in this beautiful, chaotic gray. I don't need an umbrella, I don't need a roof. The shivering cold is the only proof that I'm still standing, I'm still here, washing away every single fear. I'm crying in the storm, let the rain fall down, where the tears and the water meet the ground. Nobody sees the pain I'm in when it's washing off my weary skin. The light it flashes a heaven scream while I'm waking up from a broken dream. Yeah, I'm crying in the storm tonight, safe from the reach of the morning light. Just let it pour. The sky is weeping with me. Let it pour. In the storm, I'm finally free. Sounds faded out, crying in the storm.